Hi, good morning. Welcome to JPDC Cebu City. For only 20,000 monthly, achieve mo na ang ganito kagandang viewing. So talaga namang merong pang peace of mind dito and then nakaka-relax na rin yung place. And malapit po tayo sa airport, mami sir. 10 minutes lang po. Tanaw na tanaw mo na rin po dyan yung mga aeroplano. We're located inside of Marina Asia World, Irene Okada, and PITX. So, ito naman po yung gate natin. Yan yung map natin, papunta dito. Studio unit, model, 2 bedroom. And then the 3 bedroom facing Okada po yan. Then 5 bedroom facing by the bay. Literal na sea view. And this is the amenity, fifth floor. Gawa na po yung pool natin. And, ayan, naka-landscape na po siya, mga mom and sir. And then also, we have the kiddie playground, Disney theme. So, if mag-viewing kayo, pwede na po silang maglaro dyan. We have indoor and outdoor gym. So, thank you. Reserve na po kayo.